In this slide 1, we will discuss the word abaft. The meaning of abaft in English is, toward the rear of a ship. In Telugu, it means, Oka Noka Venuka Vaipu. For example, the captain stood abaft the helm. In this slide 2, we will discuss the word aback. The meaning of aback in English is, by surprise. In Telugu, it means, Askayapoyela. For example, I was taken aback by his rude reply. In this slide 3, we will discuss the word abandon. The meaning of abandon in English is, to leave completely. In Telugu, it means, Purtiga Vadileveyadam. For example, he had to abandon the car in the storm. In this slide 4, we will discuss the word abase. The meaning of abase in English is, to lower in rank or esteem. In Telugu, it means, Handatananni Tagankadam. For example, don't abase yourself in front of others. In this slide 5, we will discuss the word abash. The meaning of abash in English is, to embarrass. In Telugu, it means, Serasadam leader Lajja Sendadam. For example, he was abashed by her open admiration. In this slide 6, we will discuss the word innate. However, innate does not appear to be a recognized English word. There may be a typo, or it may not be in standard usage. Therefore, we are not providing a usage sentence. In this slide 7, we will discuss the word abbasi. The meaning of abbasi in English is, the office of an abbot. In Telugu, it means, abbot padavi sthanam. For example, he was elected to the abbasi. In this slide 8, we will discuss the word abbot. The meaning of abbot in English is, head of an abbey of monks. In Telugu, it means, mathadhipati. For example, the abbot led the morning prayers. In this slide 9, we will discuss the word abbreviate. The meaning of abbreviate in English is, to shorten a word. In Telugu, it means, Oka Padani Sanksiptanga Seyadam. For example, we abbreviate doctor as doctor. In this slide 10, we will discuss the word abdicate. The meaning of abdicate in English is, to give up power or position. In Telugu, it means, Padavini Vadaladam. For example, the king decided to abdicate the throne.